Hi folks, this little birdhouse card is a free printable in my newsletter. If you haven't subscribed to that yet, you can do that by following the link I'll put in the description. And this little birdhouse has got its own little sleeve, little wallet, little half envelope. And when we open the door of the birdhouse, we've got the little family of birds inside in their nest. We've got the writing space inside, obviously. And then when we turn over to the back, we've got this cute little pocket. And inside the pocket is a lovely decorated egg and a little bird tag. So there we go. I'm going to put that together. You probably don't need a video for it, but I'm making one anyway. So if you'd like to watch that, carry on watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my newsletter, come and join our Magical Paper Pantry, our large and thriving Facebook community, and let's crack on and make this lovely thing. So here are my pieces cut out. It's a very quick and simple little project that you probably don't need a video tutorial for, but I'm making this up, so why not? So I'm going to take this little piece here and score. Oh, and I've got a score to do down the centre of these roses here. I might do that one by hand actually, so that I can line it up accurately. So make my fold. Line those up. And this one can go there like that. Fold up this little tab to make this little, I hesitate to call it an envelope because it's not an envelope as such. It's just an extra little bit of whimsy and loveliness. A little bit of glue, I'll set that to one side to go tacky. Here's the card itself. This just folds in half. And there. Look at these little guys on the front. Oh, they're so beautiful. I've got a little pocket here that I'm going to pop on the back, so I'll just put a little seam of glue around 3 edges. I can pop that straight on as it's going straight down. Centralise. Actually, I'm going to just ink this edge just to give that a little bit of definition there, just a tiny little bit. And I'm going to position this about here. I don't want to cover up those flowers. There we go, that takes its place quite nicely. I'll come back to my little pocket here, my little envelope, my little semi-envelope, and I'll let that dry before I go attempting to put the card in it. And the last little thing to do is the door. So I'm going to make a crease here and fold it this way, pop a little bit of glue on the reverse of the green section, turn that over, and then this is going to sit flush on top of our door here. There we are, and it is done. That is our little card that matches the Birdhouse Explosion Box. The little egg can pop inside its pocket. The little bird even here can pop inside its pocket, or it can do peekaboo things on the outside there, and we'll put it in its little holder. Should we call it a holder? There we are. That's it. It looks lovely, looks super cute. I'm going to do a little bit of inking just on this top edge here, just for a little bit of definition. There we are. That's our little birdhouse card complete. And like I say, our little bird can live in the back there with the egg. Oh, that is really lovely, actually. Really cute. I like that. So you think you've got your little card, you can open this door. Let's get a little bit of ink on there as well, shall we? And there you have your little birds inside your writing space. Turn it over and you've got your little egg and your little bird in the back pocket. And we'll pop it in here. There we go. There's your little birdhouse complete. I hope you love that. It's a free printable that comes with my newsletter. I'll leave the subscription link down there if you're not already subscribed, and links to our Facebook group, The Magical Paper Pantry. I'll leave the link for the Birdhouse Explosion down below as well. I'll see you next time.